In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off notifications in the Binance mobile app, specifically for the 2024 version. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, rest assured, the general flow will be quite similar. Now, let's dive in and get everything set up just the way you like it for a more tailored Binance experience. First things first, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've done that, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to make your way over to the Account Center or the Profile section. Typically, you'll find this by tapping on your avatar or the profile icon. Sometimes, depending on the layout, there might be a gear or settings icon right from the main screen or tucked away in a menu. So, keep an eye out for those graphical cues. Once you've navigated to the Settings section, you'll want to look out for something labeled as Notification Preference. Here's where you can start customizing which alerts you'd like to receive. In this section, you'll find various toggles for different types of notifications. You have App Push Notifications, which alert you directly on your phone for things like trades, system updates, and potential risk warnings. Then there are email notifications, primarily for marketing and system notices. You also have Binance Inbox, or on-site notifications, which appear within the app itself. Plus, if you're using Binance's community features, you might see options for Square or social feature notifications. Lastly, there are order or transaction notifications, where you can decide if you want to get notified when orders are filled or when futures transactions are executed. Now, for each type of notification, simply toggle it on or off based on your preferences. For instance, if you're not keen on receiving promotional messages, you can disable the Marketing Updates option. But if staying informed about asset safety is important to you, be sure to keep on notifications for things like transaction risks, margin calls, or any security notices. Additionally, if you have any price alerts set up and you wish to mute or disable them, you can typically manage these from the Price Alert page. There, look for the Settings button and toggle the Mute Notifications option as desired. A vital thing to remember is ensuring your device's permissions are correctly configured. On both iOS and Android, you must ensure that Binance has permission to send you notifications. If your system-level settings are blocking them, no amount of toggling within the app will fix it. So, take a moment to head to your phone's settings, navigate to notifications, find Binance, and adjust whether you wish to allow or disallow notifications from there. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have the tools to personalize your notifications in the Binance app to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.